Deeply relax your body. This is the cosmic meditation or supra-transcendental meditation. The first step is to forget everything, whatever we know. You are going to experience your true form through cosmic meditation, through supra-transcendental meditation. Examine your body as the cosmic television and cosmic radio. So enter into your heart and feel the current of prana, current of electricity flowing from the heart into the head. Deeply relax every part. Let the stream of blood and current of electricity saturate, pervade every part of your head, eyes, face, ear, nose, throat, back of your head and neck. Flow of electricity, the pulsation, circulation of blood from the heart into your shoulders, arms, palms and fingers, from them to the heart. Deeply relax every part of your body, especially muscles. So this stream of blood, current of prana, freely pervade. Stream of blood and current of electricity, flow of prana from the heart into abdomen and chest, legs, feet and toes, from them to the heart. Stream of blood and current of electricity, flow of prana from heart into entire body, and from entire body into the heart. Now you can experience directly that the matter of your body is melting into electrical wave and current. You are now from material body into your astral body, the body of prana. And the body of prana is melting into the body of akasha, ether. Now like the cosmic rays, like the radio waves, feel your own pulsation in the sun, in the moon, in the stars. So the waves of energy, the pulsation of prana from this ethereal body and astral body to all planets, to the sun, to the moon, and to the stars. Experience it directly. Let this body, let this mind be dissolved into this cosmic light and cosmic life. Think nothing, imagine nothing. Experience this sublime pulsation of life. Total universe is nothing but vibration of this ocean of tranquility and bliss. It is pulsating in our heart in the form of our own pulsation of life. Feel it. Directly experience this state, the state of pure energy. Here you can experience the ocean of tranquility, peace and bliss. The ocean of nectarine, rejuvenating every aspect of your life. Experience this ocean of energy, sublime energy, which reveals the mystery of the two worlds in you, individual and the universal, which reveals the mystery of past, present and future, which reveals the mystery of the relative universe. And this ocean of bliss also reveals the mystery of our infinite incarnations and karmas. And this ocean of bliss and tranquility brings us into the state of absolute light and absolute tranquility. Feel it. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. ramu 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 ram
Ramu 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 ram
ramu 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 ram
Ramu 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 ram
Om 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 Ramu 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 ram
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 Lam 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 lam
Lam lam lam lam lam lam lam lam
Om 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 Om
Vam 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 vam
Om 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 Ya Ramu 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 Ram
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 Yam 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 Yam
Yam yam yam yam yam yam yam yam
Om 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 Hum 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 hum
Hamu 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 ham
Om 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 Ram 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 Om 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 Shanti Shanti Shanti